Hi everyone! So, for the past month I've been rigorously testing the Firstlight 40L, a great backpack by Mindshift Gear. And I'm finally ready to give it my full review. We'll talk about it as I head down the trail. This is an extremely rugged and durable pack. I've taken it off on cross-country hikes, including one where I was climbing up really steep, muddy hills in the rainforest here in the Pacific Northwest. And I couldn't have any camera gear in my hands. It was all on my back, and it's great how the interior of this pack is made so that you can keep all your gear secure in their individual compartments, like lenses and things, so that it doesn't rattle around, because it could throw me off, it could damage the gear, and this keeps everything really nice and stable and secure in the pack. It's amazing how much room this pack has. I can fit my drone in it, my camera, an extra camera, my action camera, a gimbal, and all my lenses. It's like more gear than is actually comfortable to carry. I mean, it does a good job of handling that weight, but there's a point at which you just have to deal with that much weight. I mean, I've put 50, 60, 70 pounds in this pack sometimes. And yeah, it'll fit as much gear as you want to carry and more. And that capacity is really useful. I found, like, when I'm traveling and I want to carry a lot of gear, some of which I won't necessarily be taking on a hike, I'll just use this as storage for the larger portion of my gear. For dealing with that large amount of weight you may be carrying in it, it has very thick padding. These shoulder straps and the hip straps all make sure that it doesn't cut into your shoulders or anything like that. They're very nice straps, and the padding on the back is extremely comfortable too. It's definitely good at handling the heavy loads it's meant to carry. If you're lucky enough to have someone gullible enough to carry your heavy pack, I've found it was really nice, because I do hike with somebody who's gullible, to be able to have them walking along with your pack, and just at any time be able to reach in and pull out whatever gear you need. It's very quick access from the back. If you're carrying it yourself, you do have to take the pack off to access stuff in it, but I highly recommend getting someone else to carry all your heavy camera gear for you. I found out a few weeks ago, actually unintentionally, that this pack is very waterproof. Actually, almost more waterproof than it's advertised as. It's only advertised as water resistant. On that aforementioned hike through the jungle, I was seeking out a remote waterfall deep in the forest up this canyon. And when I found it, there was so much spray coming off of it that it was just soaking all my pack and everything. And with this, I was able to get in to get my gear out without it getting wet from the spray. And a further test of its water resistance came when I slipped and fell on my rear into the creek. And none of my gear got wet. The pack was soaked on the outside, but on the inside it was perfectly dry. So yeah, waterproofing is really great, and if you need more, you can always put the rain fly on, and it becomes pretty much waterproof entirely. In conclusion, this pack is great. It's waterproof, it's durable, it holds an enormous amount of stuff. It is the best camera backpack I've ever used, and I highly recommend it. So, thanks for watching. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, hit that like button and that subscribe button to stay tuned for more reviews and adventure videos and time lapses and aerial videos. There's got a lot of stuff coming up, including a review of another Mindshift bag, their new exposure series of shoulder bags, which is really nice. And yeah, so that's worth subscribing for. And I'll see you again next time. Bye!